Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 10.4-inch ANC screen from 2 CCFL to our LED UB54 series and LSR series. Both screen comes with the same wire adapters, screen wire adapters, but the original equipped with this 104 PW191 inverters. So let's take a look. You see this? The part number is NL10276BC20-04. So what is the difference? I would like to plug it in a quick look. See, LSR series is much brighter. It's for outdoor, or if your environment requires high bright, then LSR series. This UB is most common one. If the unit using indoor, that is let's plug in. I show you the difference on the brightness. I'm going to fire up at the same time. I already have wire here, so if we can see a difference. UB, see SP. This is SP. Oh, I should say SP, UB. So you know the difference. Really bright LSR. So upgrading from CCFL to our UB to our LED backlight is quite easy for this particular panel. If you see this, the plastic clip, you push it down, grab the wire, slice out. See? It's really bad. Look at all those coatings falling out. So basically, if you're using UB, then you need to cut this wire, peel off, and then stick that to same location, slice in. But if you're using LSR series, it's much more easier. Oh, it's really dirty. And then you just basically slice right back to the same location. And also, I would use one piece or two pieces of aluminum foil, stick it all the way in, and then I'm gonna put a piece of wire to secure LED light. That's it. Follow this and connect to here. Okay, you can connect either end. And this wire adapter, which is connect here. You see this? This is the original inverter. So you disconnect the cable from original, convert here. That's it. It's done. Less than 10 minutes. Thank you for watching.